Hey there, business owners. Ever feel like you're pouring your heart into Instagram stories but the engagement just isn't there? Trust me, I've been there. But the thing is, your followers want to interact, they just need a little nudge. Today, I'm sharing 3 Instagram poll ideas that can skyrocket your story engagement, and I'll break down exactly how you can start using them today. Let's dive in. First up, this or that polls. These are classic for a reason. People love sharing their opinions, especially when it's quick and easy. For example, if you own a bakery, show 2 cupcake flavors side by side and ask, chocolate or vanilla. If you sell services, try morning or evening appointments. What's your preference? It's simple, but it gets people tapping and talking. The bonus? You get instant feedback on what your audience actually likes. Second idea, guess the answer polls. This one is great for sparking curiosity and encouraging repeat visits to your stories. Let's say you're launching a new product soon. Drop a poll like, guess what our new product is? Option A, scented candle. Option B, bath bomb. Not only does this create excitement, but it also makes your followers feel like insiders, part of your process. After a day, follow up with the correct answer, and thank everyone for playing along. You'll notice more people coming back, just to see if they guessed right. Third up, help me choose polls. This is all about inviting your audience into your decision-making. Trying to pick a logo, a new packaging design, or even what to post next. Let them vote. For example, post 2 images and ask, which label should we use for our summer collection? Not only does this boost engagement, but it also builds loyalty. People love knowing their input matters. Plus, you get a little help with those tough business decisions. Alright, a few quick tips before you go. Always keep your polls easy to answer. No one wants to think too hard when they're scrolling. Use visuals that pop, bright colors, clear text, and eye-catching images. And most importantly, follow up. Share the results, thank your followers, and show them how you're taking their input on board. There you have it. 3 Instagram poll ideas you can try this week to boost your story engagement and build a stronger connection with your audience. Go ahead, give them a shot, and watch those numbers climb. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips just like this. Thanks for watching.